Hi, in this tutorial I will explain how to resolve a decentralized identifier using our platform Godiddy.com. So in order to get started, you click on Resolve DIDs, you enter your DID here, click on Resolve. The response is the DID document in its standard format. It also shows you the document metadata and the metadata about the resolution process. If you would like to see another DID, you can choose a DID from our example DIDs in the list below, or you can enter your own DID. But let's see for the ini method how that looks. So again, it shows the DID in its standard format. It has metadata about the DID document, and it has metadata about the resolution process. You might be also interested in calling our API using clients such as the command line tool. Therefore, I would refer to our documentation. So we have a set of curl commands we can execute. Ideally, you would use your own API key, but you can just use this API key for now. What I'm going to do is I'm executing an HTTP GET request, calling our universal resolver endpoint, and I append the DID. So for now, we're testing the DID ini method again. I copy this. I paste it in my favorite command line tool. And there you go. So there's a DID document. There is the DID resolution metadata, and there is a DID document metadata. So the DID document can come in many different representations. One of them is, for example, JSON-LD. If you would like to have your DID document in JSON-LD format, you just append DID plus LD plus JSON to the accept header. I will show you how that looks. So you paste it here, and there you go. You can also have it in CBOR format if you prefer that. So therefore you just add DID plus CBOR. I copy now again this curl command. I paste it in my favorite command line tool. And there you go. So these are two ways of resolving a decentralized identifier. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.